Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of the pumpkin rat pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, before I show you the ability of the pumpkin rat pet in Grow Garden, I'm going to show you how you can get the pet. You can visit the Halloween market, which appear every hour. Okay, so every hour you need to stand by and you can buy, oops, it's already gone. And you can buy the pumpkin rat from the Halloween market. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my garden and I'm going to click on view. And as you can see, this is the ability of this pumpkin rat. It's a common pet, and basically it can convert a pumpkin into a random jack-o'-lantern cosmetic and collect all 5 variants. Yeah, it can give you jack-o'-lantern cosmetics, guys, but of course you need to have pumpkin on your garden so this pad can work. And I think it's not that good, but you can buy it if you have candy corn just for fun. But I think it's not that good to have or to keep in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the review of this pumpkin rat pet in grow garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.